Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open Mazda CX-5 side mirrors. First, locate the mirror control panel, typically found on the driver's side door. You'll see a button or switch specifically designed for mirror operation. Press this button to unfold the side mirrors. Ensure they are fully extended and locked into position before you begin driving for optimal visibility and safety. This simple action prepares your vehicle for the road. Sometimes, you might need to manually adjust your mirrors after they've unfolded. On the same control panel, you'll find a small joystick or directional pad. Use this to fine-tune the mirror's angle. A good rule of thumb is to adjust the mirror so you can just barely see 1/4 of your car's side in the innermost edge. Repeat this process for both the driver's and passenger's side mirrors to ensure comprehensive rear visibility. Many Mazda CX-5 models come equipped with an automatic mirror folding feature, which is incredibly convenient. This function typically activates when you lock your vehicle, automatically tucking the mirrors in to protect them in tight parking spaces or busy areas. When you unlock the car, they unfold again. If you're unsure if your specific model has this or how to enable it, consult your owner's manual for detailed instructions and customization options. If your side mirrors aren't unfolding correctly, first check for any physical obstructions like ice or debris that might be blocking their movement. Gently clear any blockages. Regular cleaning of the mirror mechanisms can also help ensure smooth operation and prevent future issues. For more tips and tricks, make sure to check out the other videos on our channel. Also, for some great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.